Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So in order to soft reset or force restart your device, you have to press two buttons simultaneously, just like the combination which you will use for taking a screenshot, so the power button and the volume down button. Basically, this soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, so you can try to force restart it. So as I said, let me press both of those buttons together and keep pressing until we will see a proper action. So of course the screenshot because of the combination, but keep pressing, and as you can see we've got the black screen, which is good. I felt the vibration. You can see also the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully soft reset this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.